Good afternoon, I'm John Perkins with your closing market minute. Soybeans and corn both closed higher on Thursday, supported by another round of commercial buying. Also, there are concerns about this year's yield numbers. After what was a dry August in much of the Midwest and Plains, near-term forecasts also look fairly dry and generally pretty warm in many key growing areas. That'll help to speed up maturation in some of the areas that had been behind, but parts of the crops could definitely use rain at this point. USDA's next set of supply, demand, and production numbers are out October 12th. Wheat closed lower on profit-taking, unable to follow through on its early gains with additional pressure from the bearish global supply side of the market. Live and feeder cattle were mostly lower ahead of widespread direct cash business this week. Direct cattle markets remained quiet. Packer inquiry had improved, but there's still a lot of space in between bids and asking prices. Box beef at midday was pretty widely mixed. And hogs closed mixed. On one hand, contracts are oversold and are at a pretty big discount to the cash index, but on the other hand, cash trade was steady to lower and pork was down at midday. I'm John Perkins with your closing market minute.